Mushroom cultivation represents a unique intersection of scientific precision and botanical artistry. Understanding these extraordinary organisms requires comprehensive knowledge of their complex biological systems. Mushrooms exist as unique organisms transcending traditional plant classification. Functioning as decomposers within ecological systems, these fungal entities play crucial roles in nutrient cycling and ecosystem maintenance. Different mushroom varieties offer distinct cultivation requirements and potential applications. Oyster mushrooms represent ideal entry-level cultivation candidates, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. Shiitake mushrooms provide exceptional culinary and potential medicinal properties. Lion's mane introduces unique aesthetic and potential cognitive health benefits. Successful mushroom cultivation demands precise substrate preparation. Different varieties require specific growing mediums. Oyster mushrooms thrive on straw and hardwood sawdust, while shiitake mushrooms prefer hardwood logs. Pasteurization eliminates competing organisms while preserving beneficial microbiological systems. Mushroom growth requires meticulously controlled environmental conditions. Most varieties flourish in temperature ranges between 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity levels between 80 to 90% prove critical during fruiting stages. Specialized growing environments often utilize humidity tents, misting systems, and controlled atmospheric chambers. Unlike traditional agricultural approaches, mushroom cultivation begins with spawn, the fungal equivalent to seeds. Specialized suppliers provide high-quality spawn across various mushroom varieties. Sterile inoculation techniques prove essential for successful production. Mushroom cultivation involves two primary developmental stages. Colonization involves mycelium spreading throughout the substrate, typically requiring 2 to 4 weeks. Fruiting stages follow, triggered through strategic environmental manipulations involving temperature, humidity, and atmospheric composition adjustments. Precise harvesting proves critical to maintaining mushroom quality. Cut mushrooms when caps are fully developed but before flattening occurs. Utilize clean, sharp implements and minimize substrate disturbance. Many varieties offer multiple harvest cycles from single substrate configurations. Contamination represents the primary challenge in mushroom cultivation. Implement rigorous cleanliness protocols, utilize sterile techniques, and monitor growth environments continuously. Immediate removal of potentially compromised substrates prevents system-wide contamination. Mushrooms transcend simple agricultural production. Varieties like lion's mane demonstrate potential cognitive support, while reishi offers potential immune system benefits. Each variety presents unique nutritional and potential therapeutic characteristics. Mushroom cultivation provides profound insights into decomposition processes, nutrient cycling, and symbiotic ecological interactions. These organisms represent complex biological systems with extraordinary adaptive capabilities. Cultivation insight. Mushroom growing embodies a delicate dance between scientific precision and natural wonder. Each mycelial thread tells a story of incredible biological complexity and interconnected ecological systems.